How to log in into National Bank of Canada through mobile banking on your iPhone. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you download NBC application on your iPhone. Now, after you have downloaded it, just tap on it. Now over here you can see various options. If you have not yet created your account, simply tap on create your account and create an account for yourself. If you already have a business account, tap on that option. Now, if you already have an account, tap on sign in. Now over here, enter your credentials, your email ID that you have used to create the account for NBC. Type it. Now just below, enter your password. Let's enter it. Now after you have done it, tap on sign in. Now in case you have forgotten your password, you can see the option of forgot your password. Just tap on it. Now over here you can see various options about what type of account you hold. Now after making a selection from the given options, you can recover your account as well. So that's all for today, and thanks for staying with us till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.